There's a plane. We are heading to Alaska. Pretty excited about that?
Yeah.
More excited about that all day.
So you want me to say something, or?
Say something. We're on a layover.
Yeah.
Alright, son. So, tell me what you just had right now. Dinner?
We had blackened cod
Louder.
with rice. It was really good.
You had what? I'm sorry?
We had blackened cod with rice, and it was really good. And now we've got dessert, which is like some German chocolate thing.
What? Little German chocolate?
Yeah. And I got a salt shaker for Alexa, salt and pepper shaker. And it's mini. And
It's a little mini?
Yeah.
Little mini pepper salt shaker?
Yeah. We're at Gwenny's.
You're lucky where it doesn't have an automatic.
We're at Gwenny's. It's a breakfast restaurant, and we hear it's really good. Tell you how it is after. Okay. Newspaper?
Yeah, please. Okay, we're downtown Anchorage. And this building has this huge mural. It's like a time. So this is called the Little Sioux River. We are heading farther upstream to catch more variety. The silvers are coming up this way. Not as many as what they said. So we'll give it a shot.
It's time to fish right now, just in the rivers.
So you just walk out right there and just disrupt them. I'll follow you as you go.
Yeah.
They're all over the place. These are what you call pink salmon. And they are as far as the eye can see. It's a pretty steady river there.
Yeah.
The current's pretty strong. What do we got here?
Pink salmon.
Your first one today?
Yep.
Hold it up. Make it look big. Remember how you did it on camera? How do you make it look big on camera? All right. How's that? How's it feel? How's that feel?
Good. It's nice. It's not the big ones that you see, but it's a good size one.
All right. Let her go.
But now he's tired.
Woo! Okay. Oh, watch it.
I hit my hat.
Here's mine.
Here.
See how?
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab it.
You're gonna grab him? Bring him in a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a good one.
He's got a big one now. He's got to go chase it down. It's got him downriver. I'm coming with you. You still on?
That's too bad.
Okay, so generally explain what's our sleeping arrangements right now.
No, it's above the car, and well, it's about 5 feet each way.
You got any headroom there?
No.
No? Lift your hand up. Show it. So what if you get up really quick like in the middle of the night?
Hit your head?
You're going to hit your head. And you can't roll tonight. No rolling. No rolling. You're just staying completely still. Alright.
Yep.
How was dinner?
It was good. It was hot dogs and fries and a small salad.
Did I get close to Grandma's French fries? No.
No.
But it was at least good.
Yeah.
And it's about what time right now?
11, 12?
It's about midnight.
It's midnight.
And has the light finally gone down? It's finally gotten dark.
Yep.
How's your campfire skills?
It was good, except the wood was wet.
Oh, you're blaming the wood.
The wood was wet.
Okay, what happened when the wood's wet?
It smokes a lot.
That's what it's all about. Fishing memories that will last a lifetime. This trip to Alaska. He's got one on. What do you got there?